Good morning. It's about 6:40. Yeah. There's nobody up. Well, people might be up, but they're not up and out. Anyway, Deborah's taking Phoenix to the shop today, and I'm gonna stay here and take care of Finn. So I'm up, about to go over there and pick up that little boy, and then we're gonna spend the day together. All right, she's been sitting since April.
Wish me luck. It's so loud.
Ready to roll. She definitely has a different sound. She's drivable.
Oh goodness, I know. Both of you. Oh goodness. Yeah. Oh goodness. Right. You went down? You went down? Oh goodness. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Hey. Same again. Yeah, you did a little right, don't you? Oh goodness, you got a rough. Oh, Sammy likes it. Sammy likes to play. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Yeah. We just don't know how much yet, right? Yeah, you like it. She says, oh, I get to play. I get to play. Oh, what? No good. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. I'm gonna go get your phone, okay?
Well, Sammy, what's she doing? You were kissing Finn. I got the camera out and you decided, nope, I don't want to show that on YouTube. Oh, goodness, Finn. Shh. Yeah, I know. Oh, goodness. There's Sammy. Yeah, hi, baby. Okay, I've got my panda drum my friend Deborah gave me. I've been practicing. Yeah, I still mess up, but let's see. Hi, Finn. Oops. Oops, I ended it wrong. So pretty. And then the other one, Ode to Joy. Hi, Finn. Hi, Finn. Let's see. It's okay. It's okay. He's like, I don't know about that sound. He says, I don't like that sound. It hurts my ears. Does it hurt your ears? Come here. Does it hurt your ears? Oh, goodness. 1, 2, 3. 3. You don't play it? You don't play? I really wonder if it hurts their ears or if it sounds good. I don't know. I don't know. What is it, Finn? Oh, really? Huh? Do you need to go outside? You want to go outside? Go potty? Do you not like my playing at all, or are you crying for Mama? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. What is it? What is it? Okay, today is the bookmobile here at the RV park. So I'm taking all my books back. This one I just started, so I'm going to recheck this one out. And let's go see if I check any more out. Let's go.
I don't know how that's going to work for me.
Okay, I got back from the library, mobile library. See what I got. So I just now started this book, and I'm probably 2 chapters in, and still just kind of not really sure yet. So I went ahead and checked it out again. And I used to read this author a long time ago, all the Prey books. And I haven't read him in a long time, and I may not like his writing anymore. I'm not really sure. So I thought I would try it. John Stanford, I don't know how many Prey books he has, but anyway, I think I read 3 or 4, and I thought, well, maybe I'll try again, or try it and see. So has anybody read his? I liked him back then, but I've changed, so I might really not like this type of book anymore. But anyway, I thought I'd start it, and, you know, getting it from the library doesn't cost you anything. So I got those 2 books, and I will take those back in my hair in a month. I wanted to show y'all something, and I'd forgotten to show y'all, and it's so dear to my heart. And I have it hung in my van. It's a visor clip, and I just got out of my van. I thought, you know what? I haven't shown this. And Deborah got this for me, and I just love it to pieces. I love it to pieces. I love it to death. I love it. And I just wanted to show you it. I said it's a visor clip, and look, it's custom made, and it says Mama Jana, Mama Deborah, and Bandit. Isn't that cute? And I'm saying, we miss you, and Bandit's saying, I know. Isn't that the sweetest? Oh, I love it. So anyway, I'm going to go put that back in the van, and I just saw it and thought, oh, I hadn't shown that. But isn't that the coolest gift? What I love is, because I asked her, I was like, can you do custom clothes and everything and hair? And she said, yeah. So isn't that cool? It's like I got like brown pants on and a green shirt. She's got long, wavy hair. I just thought that was cute. It's the cutest little thing ever.